So all this fighting one I fight against the king, just step back. Step back. He has done his work. He has given us hits after hits after hits. Okay? And Beenie Man represented Jamaica well. Okay? He has done well, exceedingly well, when it comes to dancehall music. So just please, I don't care about his personal life like that. I don't know his personal life like that. But just leave the man alone. Please, let him be. Cause una love everything we're nasty, una love everything we're just degraded, una love everything we're just ugh. Cause every time I look at that man, all I can think is ugh. Just ugh. It seems like it is the desecration of the image of the woman that you guys like. And this gang violence culture is what you guys like, because that's all he sings about. He makes me want to throw up every time I see him, and he's such an ugly person. He's ugly outside and he's ugly inside. And for somebody who went to such a good school and was seemingly such an intelligent person, he has disgraced Jamaica. He is a disgrace to Jamaica. And who want to act like they don't see that, and who want to act like that isn't the case, okay, fine. But that is the truth. So stay blind, stay deaf, stay dumb. Because I only speak truth. So stop acting like that's what artists are supposed to do. Artists are not supposed to influence people to do wrong, to make wrong moves and take wrong paths. That is not what the artist is supposed to do. The artist is supposed to uplift. Even dancehall music can uplift. It does not have to be left to reggae music. And all he does is desecrate. That's all his music does. I am yet to hear a song that Vybz Kartel has done that uplift people. Barely, maybe one or two. But everything else is just so self-centered and so about him being somebody. He's the devil. And the energy that he came out of prison with,